Hi my little Shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. I'm super excited to show you this book today. I saw this on Amazon. I wasn't expecting it out yet. I don't know why I'm a little behind the times on this one. Anyway, it's the new Mythographic Color and Discover Frozen Fantasies book by Fabiana Attansio. I have several of the other Mythographic books and I wanted to go ahead and add this one to my collection. This is the Winter Wonderlands. So I'm just going to read you the little blip on the back here. Explore a snow-capped universe of color and imagination. Mythographic Color and Discover Frozen Fantasies is a glittering gallery of surreal wonders, icy kingdoms, and dazzling tundras presented in spectacular detail. Skate along exquisite drawings of frosty illusions, crystalline castles, and snow-dusted landscapes that expand your creativity and your senses. Give a touch of artistry and color to more than 40 enthralling hand-drawn illustrations and uncover the hidden objects buried amongst the snowy surface of each one. And this tells a little bit about Fabiana. Alright, so I'm going to throw on some music in the background so you can enjoy each and every one of these beautiful images. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.